Hello, welcome back again to this channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing 10 secrets to improve your sewing speed. So if you have issues with sewing, maybe you are not fast at it, then this video is for you. Please stay to the end of this video. So the number one thing is to focus on your strength. If you know that you are not good at a particular style, don't bother yourself. You understand me? So if you're a kind of person, maybe you have interest in corsets, right? But you can't sew corsets very far. Maybe it takes you days to finish sewing corsets. My own advice, personally, I'll tell you to focus on your strength. But you know, if you are very, very good at ready to wear outfits, then you can actually engage and involve yourself in that kind of production. So it will make your work faster. Then the second secret, make sure you check your sewing machine before you start any project. Make sure you check your sewing machine and lubricate your sewing machine very well. Most of us are actually guilty of this. Personally, sometimes I don't oil, but at the end of the day, it ends up delaying me. So the major thing is just for you to oil your machine, check your machine, make sure everything is in place. Perfect. I know we want neat jobs, we want neat projects and the likes, but don't try to be perfect. Just let your mind be at rest and enjoy the process. Because when you are trying to make everything perfect, that's when you get to be nervous. So just take each step at a time. The number four secret is for you to set targets for yourself. Like, for instance, you can decide that, okay, I want to sew like 5 projects today, I want to make like 3 outfits today. So I feel is when we set targets for ourselves, that's when we try to avoid every side distractions. It makes us to be devoted. Number five, prepare your fabrics ahead of time. For instance, assuming you want to make a trouser, make sure you prepare the trouser flap well ironed. If you need to put interfacing, iron it. If you need to, then if you also need to prepare the band, the trouser band, prepare that, iron it so that you won't have to be standing up and down. Then number six, chain stitching. Chain stitching means that you're sewing different parts of a fabric together at a stretch. As you can see in that image, use as an illustration, you sew at a stretch. Then when you are done, you start cutting the thread. Number seven, make sure you use the right needle, then presser foot. So if you're using, for instance, if you are sewing a stretchy fabric, there's a particular needle used for stretchy fabric. There's a particular needle used for other types of fabrics. So that makes your work easier and it prevents you going back and forth. Then use the right presser foot also. For instance, if you're not good at sewing invisible zipper with normal presser foot, you can use presser foot, invisible zipper presser foot to sew. So that one will save time. Number eight, batch sewing. Batch sewing means that, like, for instance, if you have a particular project, maybe you want to sew like 10 shirts and then they are of the same color. Instead of sewing each one at a time, you can decide to sew in batches. Okay, I'm joining the shoulder line of this particular shirt. Okay, I'm joining the shoulder line of 10 different shirts at a stretch. That's what they call batch sewing. So you can also sew according to pattern. Okay, I'm sewing shirts, or you do according to colors. Okay, I have like 5 different fabrics being cut and they're of the same color. So you sew according to color so that you don't have to be changing your thread and your bobbin also. The number nine, avoid using pins or clips. For instance, if you want to join a particular part, maybe trouser band, then you clip, 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 clip. If you know you are actually good at sewing without clipping, it's best you avoid that so that it will save time. You can avoid the use of pins, then you can also avoid the use of clips. And lastly, sewing is fun. Enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please, if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining the community. If you are new here and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to support this channel. Please kindly like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.